In text 9, Jayasuram bhavam imam tam Jadyasuram bhavam imam tramatmana samam mano datsva nasanti vid visha Riteji tadatmana utpate stitat tadi yanantasya mahatsama samarhanam. Listen, Father, give up your demoniac mentality. Do not discriminate in your heart between friends and enemies. Make your mind equipoised toward everyone. Except for the uncontrolled mind, there is no enemy within this world. When one sees everyone on the platform of equality, then one comes to the position of worshipping the Lord perfectly. Love its purport. The only process for controlling the mind is to fix the mind by service to the Lord Krishna. We create enemies and friends according to the dictation of our minds, but actually there are no enemies and friends. This is a preliminary understanding for entering the kingdom of bhakti. In the material world, everyone thinks he has conquered his enemies, not understanding that his enemies are his uncontrolled mind and five senses. In this world, everyone has become a servant of the senses, although originally we are meant to be eternal servants of Krishna. But due to ignorance, we forget this, and thus we become servants of our lusty desires, our anger, our greed, our illusion, our madness and jealousy. Thus we become controlled by the modes of nature and become bound by our ignorance. And of course, Hiranyakashipu, he struck his fist against the column, and from within that pillar came a fearful sound which appeared to crack the universal covering. Brahma became afraid and thought, oh, what's happening? My planet is going to be destroyed. And Brahma was afraid that that sound indicated the end of the world for him.